This is Manas Khanduja. So students, in the given session, I would talk about Vydehi Medical College. It is located in Bangalore. I would discuss the cutoff marks for semi-government seats, private seats, the linguistic minority seats of Vydehi because it is a Telegu minority college, and lastly the Hyderabad Karnataka seats cutoff. Okay, so Vydehi is the third most chosen private medical college in Bangalore after Kempegowda and St. John's. It has 250 Mbbs seat and it was established in 2010. Okay, out of its 131 private seats, 91 are reserved for Telugu minority candidates. Their abbreviation for category code is ME. So their category code is ME. Okay, so we would discuss semi-government and the remaining private seats. So for semi-government, the tuition fee is 1,50,000. For private medical colleges seats, the tuition fee is 12 lakhs. While for management quota, other quota or NRI quota, the tuition fee for Vydehi is 44 lakhs per annum. We would not discuss this 44 lakhs per annum seat. Its cutoff would be 170, 180 marks. It is very expensive. Okay. Additional charges are 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs. It will surely increase. Okay, due to the war issue, mass charges are going to increase. Tuition fee depends upon government. They have not increased it in 2025. It might increase to 13.5. 10% increment is there. Okay, small chance for this, but high chance that mass charges would increase. Okay, it is sure. Then if I talk about the first the cutoff marks of 2025, then I would start with the Re-Neet expectation. Okay, Re-Neet exam expectation Vydehi Medical College. So for Vydehi Medical College, you need to fill the form of KA counseling. The registration would once again be opened after the Re-Neet exam results are declared. So you need to fill that form if you haven't filled it. GM quota is specifically for Karnataka domicile candidates, 530 the highest cutoff, 23,000 rank because 2025 was a very difficult paper. So 530 was equivalent to 23,000. In league paper, it was equivalent to 620 marks, around 620. GMS, General Merit Hyderabad, Karnataka, 506. Okay, open category that is for the candidates. Open seats are for both Karnataka and non-Karnataka. So it's not like Karnataka students cannot apply for open seat. Okay, so 503, 48,896. GMP quota, 475. Lower cutoff because the reservation is there for Karnataka domicile, only for Karnataka. This is only for Karnataka, 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 Karnataka. These are for other states also. GMPH, General Merit Private Hyderabad Karnataka students, 449. Safe score very small compared to the GMP quota. Then Telugu minority students have the lowest cutoff, 426. The fees is 1,50,000 for government quota or semi-government seat of Vydehi Medical College. Okay, now if we talk about the Re-Neet expected cutoff marks, now Re-Neet we are seeing that 15 minutes extra would be given. That would increase the safe score because 15 minutes extra means at least more than 12 to 16 marks. Okay, mentality changes when you know that invigilator time is safe from you. Okay, invigilator process irritates the students highest. Okay, then further, what are the negative factors? First, many students that have already performed score higher than 600, 650, it is difficult for them to come back, like trying preparation again. Sometimes it affects our mind. We have scored 600 plus and now we have to do once again, or 600 is now null and void. So that mentality is gonna affect some of the students. Also, there were some students who were scoring 600 plus that were due to the paper leak. When one they have a paper, chemistry, biology paper 2, 3 days or 7 days prior, they would be scoring 600 plus. Okay, so those students would be out of the picture. Okay, so that would lower the safe score. But still, since you are in the preparation mode, try to aim 40-50 marks more than what that was in 2025 cutoff. Seats would also increase. Okay, for if even if Kempegowda seat increase, students would prefer Kempegowda where they would have a higher lower cutoff. Okay, government seats are increased, so students who cannot afford 1,50,000 also will choose a government medical college once again where the semi-government seats cutoff would also decrease. Okay, so there are lots of factors. So currently 565 to 585 because the general candidates. Okay, you need to aim high. 565 to 585. General merit Hyderabad Karnataka students. It also depends how many Hyderabad Karnataka students are doing NEET 2026 this year. Okay, but still 540 to 560. Open category candidates, since lesser and lesser students are applying in Karnataka if government medical colleges, semi-government seats are already increased in their own state. Okay, if Rajasthan increases number of private medical colleges, number of government medical college in its own state, why would their students come for open seat in Karnataka? Same for Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Okay, so open seats cutoff for Vydehi would be little bit lower. Okay, not that lower. So 525 to 555. It would be higher than 503 because 2025 was very difficult paper. But still, a relative, if we see, it is 525 to 555. In terms of closing rank, you would see. Okay, GMP quota 475, 510 to 530. Okay, GMPH lower than GMP 480, 500. And lastly, Telegu minority student 460 to 480. And these three categories, ME, GMPH, and GMH, are highly affected. Okay, because the Telugu minority candidates, specifically if they are decreasing year by year, then the cutoffs would be becoming further low. Okay, it could go to 450 also. So these are expected safe score. It could be further lower because NT might make a very difficult paper to show that there are no paper leak in Re-Neet. High scoring marks are actually indication that paper leak. 2024 we saw higher number of students scoring 600 plus marks. Therefore, it was a paper leak. 2026 also similar trends. So NT would try to remove this indication by making a slight difficult paper. Okay. So rest would depend on what happens on 21st June. So all the best. Try to aim 50, 60 marks higher than what are the cutoff marks for 2025. Okay, you are in a preparation mode. So please aim higher. Okay, for KA counseling, they would once again ask you to edit your marks once the results are declared. So keep on visiting KA website. You can join my Telegram channel for all the KA counseling regarding updates. Above session is to book single paid session in which you can discuss about Karnataka state counseling, what are the preferred colleges, what are the expected score. Okay, after result, this is my score, what college can I get? Okay, which one is better? Any specific rules that we need to know about Karnataka state counseling? We need to discuss re-medical colleges also, so you can take a session for that. Okay, so that can be booked by above WhatsApp. All the best for Re-Neet exam. Okay, let's hope that the cutoffs are similar to 2025, but you should still aim 50, 60 marks higher. Okay, because it is preparation. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.